how to create Unibet account. Initially, simply go to this website, that is unibet.com, and once you've done that, you will be redirected to this page. Now at the top right, you will see these two buttons, namely login and register. Simply click on register right now. And this is it. From here, simply fill out all of these details. Initially, simply select your country, and once you've done that, click on continue. Once again, fill out all of these details right here. Once you've filled out all of them, once again, click on continue. Now finally, all you need to do is enter your address right here. I'm gonna do it right now. And finally, once you've entered all of these details, simply scroll down and click on this checkbox right here. Once you've done that, simply hit on join. And that is it, guys. This is how you create your Unibet account. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Until next time, thank you.